nasa club kami, itong club na to, dito kami kakain. Tandaan nyo, Pilipinas, pag sinabing club, hindi yan masama ha. Ito ay kainan, restaurant, at saka yung maliit na casino. Yan yun. Wow, you got nice clothes, huh? Yeah. I like it. It's so bright. Lots of drink. So we're looking for the entrance. I think the entrance in this way. How's my clothes, honey? It looks sexy. Where's the entrance? I think that's the one there. This is the back. Kakain kami dito kasi nakakagutom na. Alam mo naman, pag holiday, kain lang kami. Yan ang gawa namin pag holiday. Kain ng kain. Thank you for watching, guys.